What are the advantages of using Filmora 14 for the new YouTuber who is looking for a good video editing software? Filmora 14 offers several advantages for new YouTubers looking for user-friendly and effective video editing software. Here's why it's a good choice. 1. User-friendly interface. Drag and drop editing makes it easy to place clips, effects, and music. Intuitive layout, perfect for beginners who don't want to be overwhelmed like with Premiere Pro or DaVinci Resolve. 2. Professional-looking results without a steep learning curve. Offers templates, preset animations, and transitions that look polished. AI tools, like Auto Beat Sync and Background Remover, help enhance videos with minimal effort. 3. Built-in effects and titles. Large library of effects, filters, transitions, and text animations. Easily add lower thirds, intros, and outros that look professional. 4. Audio tools. Background music and sound effects included. Audio ducking and noise removal help polish your audio easily. 5. Supports all common formats and platforms. Exports directly for YouTube, TikTok, and other platforms with optimized settings. Can handle 4K video and footage from phones, webcams, and cameras like Sony Handycams. 6. Affordable one-time payment or subscription. Compared to Adobe Premiere Pro, Filmora is more budget-friendly. Lifetime license option available, which is ideal for long-term savings. 7. Helpful tutorials and community. Plenty of official and community tutorials available online. Wondershare provides support and updates regularly. Potential limitations to keep in mind. Watermark in free version unless you purchase a license. Not as advanced for pro-level color grading or motion graphics. Export speeds can vary depending on your computer's specs. Overall recommendation. For a new YouTuber who wants fast, stylish edits without a steep learning curve, Filmora 14 is a strong and accessible choice. It balances simplicity with enough features to create engaging content.